Okay, welcome back. I actually want to keep this video very short because the theorem is very short. So this is talking all about the triangle sum theorem. The triangle sum theorem, goodness, handwriting is atrocious on here. Triangle sum theorem says all triangles have 180 degrees on the inside. Always. And that's the entire lesson. We're done. Okay, not quite. But that's really as simple as it is. Triangles, all triangles, forever and always have 180 degrees on the inside. So if you're given two of the angles, that means you can automatically find the third because it has to be whatever adds up to be 180 degrees. So let's work this out a little bit. And remember, in the last video, I talked about using your book and using the assignments. There are 1,000 different YouTube channels out there with people that explain this stuff better than me. So if you're done with this video and you go, Mr. Reynolds, that didn't help, ask questions, use your book, use the other YouTube videos, go to Khan Academy, talk to somebody, talk to me. Let's set up a one-on-one tutoring meeting. Maybe I can explain it better one-on-one. But use the resources that are available to you. Okay, triangle sum theorem. Let's look at number one. I can make it bigger than that, but not without making it look goofy. Try again. Close enough. Okay, so they say this angle is 50 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees. So how much is this angle? Very simply put, we can add all three of those angles and it will equal how much? Hope you said 180, at least in your head. So I'm going to call this x so that I can actually use it as a variable. But we don't have to. I'll do it both ways. So our formula is 50 degrees. I'm going to put together what I have, plus 50 degrees, plus question mark, or you could use your x, equals, how much do all three angles add up to be? 180 degrees. Now this is only true for the inside of a triangle, so keep that in mind. We're going to be breaking that down into more detail in a different lesson, not this one, okay? If we can get around to it, I will talk about all the different shapes and how the internal angles all work. Right now, just remember the inside of all triangles is 180 degrees because the inside of all triangles is 180 degrees. Because if you add up all the angles in a triangle, it equals 180 degrees. Okay, so let's simplify this a little bit. 50 plus 50 is 100. I'm combining my like terms. Plus the question mark equals 180. If I subtract 100 from both sides, that means my question mark is 80 degrees. Done. That was easy. So that means that this has to be 80 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and do an algebraic example really quick, and then I will let you go. Let's try number 9. Number 9 looks a little bit like this, where this is 40 degrees, this is 65, and this is x plus 86. And you go, Mr. Reynolds, I don't know how to do that. You do know how to do that. Let's take a look. All we're going to do is add up all the angles. How much are all the angles? All the angles added together are 180 degrees. So 180 equals, I'm going to add all the angles together, 40 plus 65 plus, what's this third angle? When in doubt, parenthesize, x plus 86. You don't have to use parentheses here, but it's a good habit to be in. Okay, now I'm going to combine my like terms. Do I need to distribute anything? Do I need to do anything inside of the parentheses? No, not really. So I could drop them if I want. It's okay. 40 and 65 and 86 are all like terms. 40 plus 65 is 105. 105 plus 86 is 191. Now wait a minute. Did I done goof? Let me actually find and do that on a calculator. Okay, 40 plus 65, and the only reason I'm doing this on a calculator, yeah, it's 191. I don't think it's gonna, no, it can't cause us any problems because all angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees, but just because it's over 180 degrees already, it makes me think, uh-oh, something's wrong, but it'll all work out. Watch the power of math work out. So x equals, 180 equals x plus 191. We subtract 191 from both sides because we're isolating our variable, and we get x equals negative 11. Now, if the angle was negative 11, that would be trouble. We would say, now wait a minute, we can't have a negative angle. That doesn't work out. So x equals 11 is fine because the whole angle is x plus 86, right? So if we substitute that negative 11 in, negative 11 plus 86 is going to be 75, which is fine. An angle can be 75 degrees. Okay, so our answer here is x equals negative 11. Now, if they wanted you to find this angle, then yeah, you would need to plug that in and actually solve for it. But they don't, so we don't. It's fine. Okay, remember, use your resources wisely. And then once your first resort, second resort fail, let's get in touch. Yeah, even if you just need help with basic math skills. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you later.